Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we're making Westlake soup. First, bring 6 cups of broth to a boil and add the ground beef. Stir it a little bit, cook a couple minutes until the redness goes away. Next, add tofu. And the key here is that the softer the tofu, the better the texture of the soup. So try to use medium firm to silken tofu. When that comes to a boil, add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup. Once the soup is thickened, you can add the eggs, the beaten eggs, in a slow stream. Then once the eggs are added, you can season the soup and then add cilantro, and you're ready to serve. Thank you for watching Cooking with Dad. Please check out ad-free cookingwithdad.net.